Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your laptop screen to a smartboard using a simple HDMI or VGA cable. Let's get started. Step 1. Check ports. First, check your laptop for an HDMI or VGA port. Most modern laptops use HDMI, but older ones may use VGA. Step 2. Connect the cable. Now, plug one end of the HDMI or VGA cable into your laptop and the other end into the smartboard's HDMI VGA input port. Step 3. Select Smartboard input. On the Smartboard, use the remote or touch panel to switch the input source to HDMI or VGA, depending on your connection. Step 4. Switch laptop display mode. Now, on your laptop, press Windows plus P and choose your display option. Duplicate to mirror, extend to use as second screen, or second screen only. Step 5. Done. You should now see your laptop screen on the Smartboard. You're ready to teach, present, or share your screen with ease. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials every week. Thank you. Goodbye.